Let's now deal with the question of how you trade your shares. Once you have bought your shares, you may want to buy more shares in the future or sell some of those shares you have. Now, this process of buying and selling is called share trading. To trade your shares, you have to go through a JSE registered stockbroker, and there are many of them listed on the JSE website. You may also use computer share for this purpose. And if you have a stockbroker, he or she will use a sophisticated JSE trading system and will buy or sell shares on your behalf as per your instructions. Remember that buying and selling shares is not always that simple. You need to have a willing buyer, that is someone who wants to buy your shares, and a willing seller, who is someone who wants to sell his or her shares for the shares to be traded. When you buy a share on the stock market, you are not buying it directly from the company. You are buying it from some other existing shareholder, someone like you who is looking for an opportunity to invest in shares. Likewise, when you sell your shares, you do not sell them back to the company. Rather, you sell them to another investor. It is important to understand this because buying and selling shares does not always happen immediately. There are times when there are not enough shares in the market for buyers, or there are too many shares for the sellers, making it difficult to trade. So please remember that.